Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an AT-AT. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our AT-AT, we're going to begin with the body this time. I'll start right here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come across. We're going to come down and connect it. Kind of like a little bit of an odd-shaped square. Now, I'm going to leave just a little bit of space, and I'm going to make a line that's going to be a little bit shorter, but it's going to come down right to here. This one's going to come down at an angle. It's going to go straight down and connect to here. This one's going to do pretty much the same thing. It's going to be a little bit shorter. We're going to go down at an angle. We'll go straight down here and then just connect it. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines in here just to connect these, and a couple little lines right in here to connect them. Now, right underneath here, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come down with a little line that comes across. Now, right underneath this part of the AT-AT, we're going to add a circle. And then right underneath this one over here, we're going to add a circle. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. And I'm just going to draw a diagonal line up and another diagonal line. Now, right here, we're going to draw two lines that come down. We're going to add another circle shape right here with two more lines that come down, a little bit shorter. Over here, we're going to make two lines that go down. We'll have a circle shape right here. And then these are just going to kind of follow that same shape of these lines. We'll draw a little line to connect them and a little line to connect them. Right here, we're going to draw two little lines that come in and then a straight line across, and two little lines here with a straight line across. Now, to draw the feet, I'm going to make two little lines that come down. We'll do the same thing here with a little line across. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and it's going to come down. And same thing over here, we're going to go out and we're going to come down. Then we'll make a nice line across. And I'm going to add another little line right across the bottom. We'll add a little line that goes down and in, down and in, down and in, down and in. Now, let's start up here. We're going to work on the head. So we're going to begin by adding the neck. I'm going to start by making a line that goes out and then another one here. And we'll add a little line down. Next, I'm going to make this line a little bit longer on the top, shorter on the bottom. We're going to make a line that comes down at a diagonal. It's going to go down here. Then we're going to come across and up. Right up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and then down. We're going to put a pretty big circle shape right in here. So we'll add a nice big circle shape right in there. And I'm going to put a little kind of square shape in here. Little line that goes out, down, and over. Make a long line that goes out, down, and then it's going to come back to here. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, and then up. We'll add a little rectangle shape or square shape at the end. Now, starting back here, we're going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down, and then it's going to angle in like this for the back of our AT-AT. Now I want to add the extra set of legs on the back here, so it looks like it's walking. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start right here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come out. We're going to draw just a partial circle shape right here. Then this leg is going to come down. It's going to go up and over. We're going to make two little lines right here and connect them with two little lines down. Nice line across. We're going to go down on each side with a line across and another little line. Then we're going to make a little line that goes down and over and down and over. And then right here we're going to make the other leg, so we're going to draw a line that goes at an angle here and a little bit of an angle here. We're going to make a circle shape. Two lines that come down with a line across. Two little lines in that go across. Two lines down that are connected. Make a nice long line across. We're going to go down. We're going to go across and add another line. A little line down and a little line down here. Now we have our basic shape of our AT-AT. Now we just want to come in here and add some different details. And there are a lot of details you can add. We're just going to keep this a little bit simpler. So starting on the neck here, I'm just going to add a few long lines coming down. Right here we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then come in. We'll add a couple little rectangle shapes here. And a little line, a couple little shapes right in here just for some more details. Make a little line come across here and right across here. Right here we're going to make a little line that goes over. It's going to go up and over. Make a little line that goes over, down, and then over here. Make a little square shape up here, or rectangle shape. Right in here we're going to make a line that goes up, over, and down. And put another one up here that goes up, over, and then down, a little shorter. Put a little rectangle shape up here. And I'm just going to add a couple little lines coming down here. We'll add a little square shape over here with a couple little lines in here, maybe a few more kind of smaller squares. Add a couple little lines coming down here. And some small skinny rectangles here. Now, starting right inside here, we're just going to add a couple little diagonal lines inside each of these. Make the lines go straight across, they can go diagonal, whatever you want them to. Just going to add a little bit of detail. We'll just keep adding some of these little lines. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines coming down here. And we're going to put these right along the edge. And we'll put them over here too. I'll add a couple little kind of square shapes in some of these. A couple little dots in a few of them. Some little lines coming down. And just a few kind of little details. I'm going to add a couple little lines coming down the middle of the feet. And I'm just going to add a couple little shapes in some of these, just a couple little squiggle marks just for some extra details. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little AT-AT. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.